I'm going to be showing you how to cancel a bid on eBay. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to know is check if you can actually cancel, because you cannot always cancel and bid on all the items. So you can only cancel a bid if you accidentally entered the wrong amount, or the seller significantly changed the listing after you place your bid, or if the auction is almost ending and you usually cannot cancel the bid. So what you need to do is make sure you're signed into your eBay account. Just tap on sign in right there. And once you've done that, you just need to go to my eBay, which is right there at the bottom right here. Just go ahead and tap here, and you need to go to the bidding option. As you can see, you have bids and offer right there. And if you have bid on something, then it will appear right here. So you just need to find the item you want to cancel your bid on. And you must have the option of retract bid or sometimes cancel bid. And all you need to do is select the reason for retraction, whether you've entered the wrong amount or if items details changed or something else, and just confirm your bid retraction. So after retracting the bid, you'll get a confirmation email from eBay. If the bid has already ended or can't be cancelled, eBay will notify you. Sellers can see that a bid was retracted. So in this way, you can successfully cancel a bid on eBay. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.